Okay, second attempt. Strap broke.
So you guys live in?
Kevin is backing up. Gonna attach the rope and the chain back onto the tan Toyota.
That's where I'm from. I grew up in Bill County, but I mean, this is like where I come here as a kid.
And we should probably get back again because that strap came all the way back here.
Oh, that strap is back there. You see where your hubby is?
That's what I'm saying.
Kevin, low gear, slow.
Especially till it gets tight.
That's 20 feet of freaking slack.
I'm going to do this again, like I said,
All
guys.
right, here we go.
Just so you know,
See if she comes out this time.
Back up about 3 feet, 3-4 feet. No more. Okay. Give them a thumbs up when you're ready.
All right, here we go.
Little more slack. Hold them, but there.
Oh, he's going to be right in that rut, though.
It's all right.
Here we go again.
They
It's
got to time it.
it's jerking the Toyota, but has not moved yet.
Mine?
Okay. Now just go. Stand on her. I mean, not.
You want to push in the back?
Whoa!
You got another strap?
That's what I want.
Yeah, a couple in the back.
We had 2 of us. Let's go. I mean, let's.
That's a Dan Kilmer.
The guy, bald-headed guy. We consider taking the short guy.
All right.
Still a little belt.
Well, I guess we're gonna. All right. Here we go again. The most of the crew is gonna push behind the vehicle while Kevin attempts to pull again and see if that works better. Woodchuck's getting ready, thumbs up, and here we go. Okay, as you heard, truck is freeing up. Woohoo! All right. Pretty excited about that. Truck came out. Everybody's happy. Now we just have the white truck to take care of. All right, crew's getting ready. We're going to use the tan Toyota now to attempt to get the white truck out. Hopefully we will have as good of success as we did the first truck. They're hooking the tow straps. Okay, tow strap went flying. No success this time around.
That rope in between.
Bring that strap.
All right, they're getting the tow straps and the chains together, hooking back up to the TN Toyota. There's
The
Wendy.
supervisor would be Wendy.
Yep, she's standing by, supervising what's going on.
Stop it, sassy mouth over there.
She's talking to you.
I know. I knew that.
Yeah, there's a place in Appleton. Well, they won't sew it back together, but the other end, they'll take it and sew it so you'll have an end of it.
I can take that down by RZR. Tent and awning.
In Fondy?
Yeah,
Had my boat cover made there for my last boat.
they do nice work.
They do very nice work. A little pricey, but well worth it. Never had a problem with that cover.
This time when you do it, Sprout, just back up with just a little bit and let's kind of just give it a foot at a time just to gain a couple inches. Yeah, that's one change.
Quite a predicament these boys are in.
Where would that be?
It's gotta be right here. We had them both hooked up.
It didn't go flying, right?
So you had 3 chains, you're saying?
Yeah. 2 of them, 2 identical chains like that, and that short one. So I'm missing one just like
You're
that.
missing one like that?
Kevin doesn't have it, does he?
Okay, here we go again. We got all the men in the back. It's kind of difficult to see through the brush, but there's Kevin.
Heads up. Pay attention. Casey.
Watch that. She broke already. Back up. Didn't you have a strap, Jane? Or Jan?
Hey, that'd be this one right here. Sprout wants to use chain. Chain ain't gonna break. I got it here if it's needed. That's why I'm holding it. Sprout? This is only for 1,500 pounds. It's not that big of a strap. Well, yours is rated for 2,500.
Ours?
I just happened to notice because I worked at Free Farm for a while.
There was a chain in between them. I get service when I get out to 7.
Yeah, so you should.
I do.
Yeah.
And
I just don't know where Britt is, and if she could go feed Allie, because, I mean, we're a half hour, 45 minutes from leaving, and getting even closer, just to check on her, just to make sure, because I left her at, well, 11:30.
What are you filming, the trees?
Oh, they're gonna push on that one again?
Yep.
No, the boys are
Well,
gonna
there's,
That helped if
There's-
they were to push on.
push
oh yeah, it wouldn't have
Even if
gone.
they went to
back.
God's
Nope. Nope. There's
and
a lot of muscle back there.
Yes, it is.
he's getting, Sprout's getting back in his truck.
We have a new supervisor, Kevin.
Yep.
Oh, that didn't look good.
That one is.
Here we go.
Jeez. You can hear the tires just a spinning away
You
back
guys
there.
Work together. And you see him going, and this guy's not.
Right.
Well, watch it.
Us. We're standing here doing exactly what we would have been doing a while ago.
People like this, you know.
We're entertained.
Yeah.
Doesn't take much to
The guy's
entertain
got
the old
beer in
guy
hand,
here.
we're good.
Try to get it out from the front this time around.
Kevin looks like he's trying to
Sprout's
turn
getting
around.
in
So
position.
they're gonna push from back here, right? I feel bad for that guy on his back. Thought he had
Coming out with these little bitty straps.
No, those are only weighted for what, 1,500 pounds, Danny? I put-
3,000.
Well, because I thought mine was only weighted for 15.
Now,
I got a 4-inch at home, but you need a heavier truck to give it a bump to.
To jump it. That's all every woman needs.
That's what Donna said. All she wants is an inch, my old.
Are you pushing?
I don't think they're gonna.
Just a little bit of pressure on it.
You're not doing no good. No, not unless I can move you a little bit. I'm hoping maybe in a.
This axle's buried too.
Well, you want to put a little bit of pressure on it so you can feel the transmission starting to want to turn the tires just before they spin. Yep. Then we can always turn around and try pulling it back a little bit. And the next time we're going to get 3 or 4 inches.
Sorry.
Wow.
I know. That's exactly what I thought.
Here we go. Should we be standing where
Well,
we're
it's
at?
It honestly can't hurt to try.
Oh, boy.
that's
Moving days.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
That little boy in the back there. he drank
look
too
at
much.
look at the front tire on this side.
yeah.
He's not getting that up over that fucking hump.
Oh, we're making progress.
Hold the brake! When you get up on top, hold the brake so it don't roll back. Okay, hold the brake.
Turn the wheel to the left.
Turn your wheel to the left a little bit. There you go. Hold. Come on. Back to the right. Oh, right there.
Straight. You might get this. Come on, you bitch. I can't believe he hasn't taken off his axle.
Oh my gosh, they almost have it.
Almost.
It's up. Yeah.
Couple more times.
Tires up.
Keep going!
You almost got her. One more time, Sprout.
Woohoo!
Come on.
Woo!
Keep
Whoa! Yeah!
Job well done, gentlemen!
Woo!
And again, if the boys weren't pushing on the back, it
It
ain't happening.
ain't happening.
Just that little extra oomph.
Yep. That's all it needed. Yeah, get them out of that rut. Wow. That is phenomenal.
Pretty sure they don't get to use those kayaks over there in the woods.
Nope.
And their beer's almost gone, so it's a good thing they're out.
Yeah.
This game is almost over. And the white truck wins again.
No fishing in this weekend for the boys in the white
no
vehicle.
supper. No supper next week.
No supper. No
He's
fish
gonna
in
be
the
thrilled that
pan.
he didn't have to call some tow truck 5 hours away. That would have been hundreds of
And-
dollars.
That is the end.
Hundreds.